Elon Musk. He is one of the busiest person in the world. He is famous for his extraordinary vision and goals. He is an engineer, inventor, businessman, founder and CEO, and he is the Iron Man of real life. He is the founder of Tesla and SpaceX, which are amazing companies. He also founded companies like OpenAI, Boring Company, Neuralink, and SolarCity. Where people cannot manage a single company, he owns six successful companies. He works 85 to 100 hours in a week, which is incredible. He also spends quality time with his family members in weekends. He also do exercise 2 days in a week. But the thing is that how he manages his time so properly. People think that he is a superman with genius level focus, and there is no doubt that he is not a genius, but we have to also learn that how he manages his time. He could do this because he knows the importance of time and the value of time. So he follows a fixed daily routine to make a productive day. So I will share with you the Elon Musk full timetable. So please watch this video till the end as it will be very helpful for you. So let's know how successful people manages their time. Friends, this is a community and if you want to learn something, please subscribe this channel. Elon Musk wakes up at 7 a.m. after completing his 6 hours of sleep. He tells that if he does not get 6 hours of sleep, his mind do not work. After getting out of bed, he directly goes to take the shower. He is a daily person who takes a shower because he believes that it keeps him fresh all day long, and he mostly takes coffee in his breakfast and doesn't do breakfast. But sometimes if he like and he's hungry, then he would take a omelette with his coffee. Then without delay he goes to his office at time. He also schedules the number of days in his company. In SpaceX, he goes in Monday and Friday, and in Tesla, he goes Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. He spends 80 to 90% of his week in SpaceX and Tesla, and the rest 10% and 20% he spends with his kids or sometimes goes to his other companies. He gives 42 hours in Tesla, 40 hours in SpaceX, and the others are in other companies. He don't only sit on his office and give orders, but he also spend time on designing and engineering. And sometimes he sleep in his own office. In this time period also he tries to save much time as he can. In his office he do not pick up calls and only message emails which are important. And he does most of his work in time blocking like Bill Gates and Cal Newport. He eats his lunch only during his meeting period as he do not like to waste time on eating. He also have told once that someone should invent a food pill that we will eat and we will get all necessary nutrients. Crazy, right? So as you see, he is very dedicated towards his work and his dream is all life. As compared to an average American, he spends working double time, means 2x time in work. So he has earned everything before his 50th birthday. And to give energy to his brain, he drinks many glasses of coke drinks, which you think is unhealthy, but he does it because it gives energy to his mind, like Warren Buffett. And it will be not wrong that we will tell him and coffee addictive. Besides this, he loves reading book and also does workout 2 days in a week. He takes most of his calories in night food when he is there in home or in his factory. And he gets to sleep nearly 1 am in night. At the end, I want to tell you that if you want to become like Elon Musk, you have to do many sacrifices in your world. You have to work more than your opponents. As a billionaire, he works twice as his competitors, which is not necessary. He can just relax, but he's so passionate towards his work that he wants to work, and he gets all that by this extraordinary work. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe our channel. Signing out for the day.